Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is John Denver Maglaya, and for today's video, i-unbox po natin ang Apple Watch ko. Yeah, this is an Apple Watch Series 4. So, binili lang po namin ito kanina. It is just, parang wala sa plano, parang pumasok lang sa isip ko kasi kapatid ko bumili siya ng ano yun? Ng AirPods. So, yeah, parang na-enjoy niya akong bumili ng Apple Watch. This is a Series 4. So, yeah, this is worth like $600. Yeah, so, unbox po natin. So, excited na po. So, yes, but before I continue this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos about myself. So, yeah, let's get started. So, yes guys, yeah, unboxing na po natin. So, oh my god, parang tutanggal. Oh my god! Nakisa yung plastic na. So, yeah, so unbox na po natin guys. Okay, so, tanggalin ko yung wrap. So, bali naka-plastic po siya. So this is yung harap niya. It's like, yeah, Apple Watch. And sa side niya, yan. Sa likod po, meron po siyang, ano yan? Something, mga descriptions. And yeah, it has, the colors like space gray, aluminum case, black sport band. This is a 44mm one. So, yeah, paano ito buksan? So, bubuksan na po natin. Okay, ang pala ito. Sorry po. Ano ito buksan? Ano pa ba yun? Ang galing po. Ang galing ng pagkakaano niya. Okay, ano ito pa naman yan? Ang box niya. So, okay. Oh, so I think this is the wristband. Oh, wristband na yan. Yeah, maybe this is the wristband. Ito po yung ano nyo. Ang cute ng ano, ng pag-keep niya siya. Nakaka-attract siya. So, I think this is the, yeah. No, that's not a wristband. It's a sport band. Yeah, so. And then, we have the watch itself. Okay, this is the power. And this is stickers, probably. So, yan, mga guides on how to, yung mga features niya kung paano siya enable. So, yeah, paano siya, ano. So, sabi niya is designed by Apple, California. So, yeah. So, oh, this is, look, ang cute. Yeah, this is the, ang tawag nito, adapter, charging cable. This is, I think this is the wireless charger. I think so. And this is the watch itself. Yung watch, guys. Ang liit. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Like, yeah, so, yung pala nahulog mo. Oh my god, muntik na nahulog. And guys, ito na yung watch. Let me see how. Yan, ito yung watch. So, okay, so yung watch. And then, yeah, ito lang naman po yung ano niya. So, yeah, this is the paper, the receipt. So, yes. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, guys, bumili din po ako ng accessories niya. So, for anti-gas-gas, meron din po akong biniling defense, something for the bumper case. So, para siyang case for the phone. For the phone. For the watch. So, yeah. And then, screen protector for the screen. Para ma-protect po for all the gas-gas, dust, and anything. So, yeah. So, guys, I'll just gonna i-pangalan nito. I-set up ko lang po siya. Okay guys, so ito na po yung Apple Watch ko. So, nag-charge na po siya ngayon. And then, yes, na-set up ko na rin po siya. So, let's see. So, ganyan po yung parang lock screen niya. So, yun po, indicator niya yun, meaning na nasa-charge po siya. So, it's already 9:22. So, just press this side. And then, ayan, ang cute. So, in order to unlock, just swipe. Para siyang phone. So, yeah, wait. Okay, so para siyang phone, may mga ano po siya apps din na parang sa phone. So, mga ganyan, music, Mariah Carey, ganyan. Ganyan, tingnan natin yung music. Yan, yung library. Oh, yan, cute. Ganyan, no? So, yan. Ganyan siya. So, may mga music po dyan yung ganyan. O, pag i-scroll nyo po siya, ito siya, parang ganito. Ang cute. Ayan. Okay, so yeah. So in order to exit, just press this. And then, or this one, yung circle. So, yeah. So, bali ito na po yung unbox Apple Watch series number 4. So, yes. Thank you for watching. And I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Aloha!